Animal accidents don't only happen on the ground. Sometimes they occur right in the sky. In this video, I'll show you the most common animal-related accidents involving airplanes in the sky. With terrifying moments of animal collisions captured on camera. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so we can continue bringing you videos like this. Let's get started. Imagine you're sitting on an airplane when suddenly a flock of birds appears, flying right next to you. Before you can even react, in an instant, a loud bang erupts. Oh, boom! The plane shakes violently, and fire and smoke appear before your eyes. You're left confused, not knowing what just happened. What you're witnessing is the aftermath of a serious bird strike. Surprisingly, such incidents aren't as rare as you might think. Every year, bird strikes cause damages of up to $1.5 billion for the global aviation industry. In the United States alone, these incidents account for about 1/3 of the total, with 18,000 bird strikes recorded annually. The majority, 97%, of these incidents occur at airports, usually during takeoff or landing. This makes sense, as at lower altitudes, planes often enter bird habitats. However, that doesn't mean birds can't collide with planes at higher altitudes. Some incidents have been recorded at altitudes over 9,000 meters above the ground. In fact, the highest recorded bird strike took place at 11,278 meters, when a Ruppel's vulture collided with an aircraft over the skies of Ivory Coast. This is also the highest altitude at which a bird has been recorded in flight. What happens when a bird strikes an aircraft engine? Birds flying near the front turbine engine risk being sucked into the intake and shredded. Jet engines require large amounts of air to generate thrust, and the engine's fan can spin at speeds of up to 20,000 RPM. The deeper the bird gets into the engine, the smaller the parts such as the fan blades and cutting blades become, accelerating and compressing the air. If a sufficiently large bird gets stuck in the front fan, the engine could be completely destroyed. When a fan blade is misaligned and collides with others, it can cause a chain reaction of mechanical failures. However, most bird strikes don't cause serious accidents. Large birds capable of damaging the engine are quite rare. Even in the worst-case scenario, the plane can still fly safely with only one engine operating. Moreover, modern engines are designed to automatically shut down if a large bird weighing more than 5 pounds, about 2.2 kilograms, is ingested, minimizing damage. Pilots are also trained to handle emergency situations, ensuring the aircraft can safely land even in the event of a serious issue. Even if both engines fail, the plane can still be controlled to make a safe landing.
Birds.
A prime example of this is the emergency landing on the Hudson River in January 2009. After an Airbus A320 struck a flock of birds and lost both engines, shortly after takeoff, the captain successfully landed the plane on the water. All 155 passengers and crew were safe. Minimizing the risk of bird strikes. Although bird strikes rarely pose a fatal threat to passengers and crew, the aviation industry continues to implement various measures to minimize risks and damage. At airports, staff use noise cannons to create loud explosions to scare away birds or deploy visual deterrents, such as landing lights and laser beams, to prevent birds from approaching aircraft. Additionally, air traffic controllers adjust flight paths based on bird migration patterns and use specialized radar systems to detect birds. In the future, avoiding flight routes that overlap with bird migration paths will continue to be the optimal solution. But the reality is, as long as birds and airplanes continue to share the sky, the risk of a collision will always be present. This is a situation where the plane is about to land on a natural runway area. Let's see what happens next. That's all for this video. We hope you found this video informative and engaging. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with more interesting content in the future. If you like this video, please support us by watching other videos on the channel and pressing the notification bell so you don't miss any new uploads. Thank you and see you in our next video.